Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Okay, for today on 7th September, we are going to continue on our revisions. Okay, let's look at question number 1. If 5p is equal to 45, find the value of p. So p is equal to what? How are we going to do this? So we are going to have 5p is equal to 45. So we are going to find the value of p. So what is it? So artinya di sini ada tanda apa kan ni? Di tengah-tengah ni. Kalau anda ada kena tulis. So artinya di sini ada tanda times. So, tadi kan tahu berapa P. Tapi jawapannya 45. Kalau 5 kali P ya ni, is jawapannya 45. So, what is it? P is...
Question 2. Subtract 3.4 from 20. What does the word subtract means? Subtract means minus, right? Artinya from, artinya ia di atas tu. 20 tu lagi besar kan? So, 20 di minus dengan 3.4. See, 3.4. This is 20. Di sini 20 ni ada ke ada poinnya? Kalau tadi lihat di sini dah ada pulang. But sebenarnya poinnya di mana? Poinnya is di belakangnya. Ini macam RM20 lah. Nah, cuma tu kan? So, the next one tu is 3. Kalau tadi buat minus dengan decimal ni, point mesti satu barisan. So, masukkan dia. Apa depan point tadi? 3. Apa belakang point? 4. So, you just minus. Remember, kalau ni masih 0, dah ada di bawahnya sini, artinya sini 0 lah. But 0 minus 4, you cannot. You have to borrow from here. Kalau sini pun dah ada, then you have to borrow from the next one. Question number 3. Express 10/8 as a mixed number. Okay, if you can see that there are 3 boxes over there. So, tapi tadi tahu denominator is still the same, 8. So, kalau ada 3 boxes kan, macam tu. So, we know that andang tu automatically jawapannya tu 8 tadi bawah tu. Because sana di 10/8 kan. So, ani tanda apa? Divided. So, what are we going to do? 10 divided by 8. So, what is it? Sini. Jawapannya. Then you minus. Then up here is the whole number. Over there. And then remainder ni will be the numerator. And number 4. Find the cube root of 343. Yang macam mana? Cube root. 343. Ada cube di tandanya di sana. So, ia akan mencari asal 343 ni. Kalau cube root, ia mesti ada 3 tu. Dikali dengan nombor yang sama. Apa kalau dikali nombor yang sama ni? Jawapannya 343. Okay. Teacher bagi example. Cube root of 8. Okay. Cube root of 8 apa? So, tadi kan mau cari apa dikali nombor yang sama tu. Jawapannya 8. So, ialah 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So, ia punya cube root, jawapannya ialah 2. Ni jawapannya 2. Okay, kalau sini, apa dikali nombor yang sama? Jawapannya 343. Write 15 as a fraction of 1 hour. So, a fraction artinya mesti ada numerator, ada denominator. So, apa di numerator? Numerator ialah nombor yang disebutnya tadi dulu tu, 15 minutes. So, atau automatically masuk di dalam, di atas, 15. Tetapi, if you see the question, ani 15 minutes, ani hour. Ini sama kan unitsnya tu. Mana boleh tani simpan jadikannya fraction tu. Mesti tani tukar dulu hour ni. So, 1 hour is 60 minutes. Now, you can put it over there. For question number 6, write tanda ni. Ini masih ingat tanda mulut buayanya teacher or equal. So, mulut buaya artinya ia makan yang besar. Okay, but these have 2 different units. Satu ni decimal, satu ni ada fraction. We cannot bandingkan kalau yang sama. So, but when we look at this one, can we put this in a place value chart and change it? Yes, so we're going to do this first. So, it's going to be 0.24. Now, let's look at again this one. 5, ada kaya di sini. Di sini ada 10, 100, 1000, right? So, yan dah ada. But can we make it jadikan ia 10? Yes, we can. What do? Multiply with 2. So atas pun multiply with 2. Then this will become 2 over 10. Right? So can we put this now here? Yes, we can put it arah rumah 10. Apa nombor atasnya? 2. And then the whole number. So this will become 0. Now, can you bandingkan 0 and 0 are the same, 2 and 2 are the same? How about this one? Can you find out which one are you gonna eat? Okay, next one, question number 7. Express 45% as a decimal. Okay, now when we look at 45% ni, artinya kalau tadi tukarkan ia jadi fraction, ia denominatornya berapa ni? Remember, percentage artinya over berapa? 100. So, ani 45. But ani is a fraction. Soalannya, ia mau jadi decimal. So, apa mesti ada dalam decimal? Mesti ada place value chart. So, this is over 10 over 100. Now, can we put it ke mana rumah-rumahnya? Then, after that, you can get the answer. What is 80% of 240? Okay, sama je macam tadi. Question number 7. Ini question 8 ah. This is question 8. Question 8. Okay. So, 80% of. Tani lihat dulu ayat ni. Of. Apa arti of? Times. 80%. Macam mana tadi kan tulis dia jadi fraction? 80 over 100 of 240. When we look at that, can we cross? Okay, cross the 0 that belongs there. Ini lagi, timetable apa yang ada 10 sama 24. Cross. Dan kalau ada jawapannya sini, kali dengan apa yang ada di sini, then you can get the answer. Question number 12. What is the sum of all the prime numbers between 50 and 70? Okay, sum. What is sum? Sum means plus. Prime number. Prime number, cluenya usually it's odd number. Tapi tidak semua odd number satu prime number. And ini usually saja. And it must only has 2 factors saja. Okay, so Tani akan sediakan daripada 50, kamu sediakan sampai 70. 51, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56. But it says a between, artinya between indah boleh masuk ni. This one is excluded. So, tadi kan cari prime number. Prime number ni tadi teacher cakap usually odd number. So, we are going to cross all the even number here. So, which is even number? Even number is apa nombor jawab ada dalam timetable tu ah. So, ni cross. Apa lagi di cross? 58. Apa lagi yang ada timetable tu? This one. Yes. Okay. So, we are crossing apa yang ada dalam timetable tu. Now, let's go back to this. Selain daripada tu, we have to check 51 ni. Kalau ia masih boleh, next we are going to look at 3. Can 51 ni divide by 3? Kalau ia tak ada remainder, artinya that is not a prime number. Tetapi kalau ia ada remainder, then that is a prime number. So you have to cari sini ni. Okay, the semua odd numbers yang tinggal ni is a prime number. There are still yang bukan prime number. Okay. Question 11. Change 32 kilograms 775 grams into grams. Okay, tadi kan tukarkan kilograms atau kalau di sini ada kilogram, ini masih lagi grams, tapi yang mau semua jadi gram. So we are going to change this little. Artinya, so 1 kilogram is berapa gram? Okay, remember K, kilo means 1000. Okay, so di sini ada 32 kilogram. So, berapa gram? So, you just multiply ya. Then you can get the answer. But we also have ada lagi 775 gram. So there are 2 buting gram. So we're just going to plus the answer. Then you can get the answer in grams. Okay, question number 12. What is the sum of all the prime numbers between 50 and 70? The sum. Apa arti sum? Sum means plus. So, prime number. So, between 50 and 70. So, tadi sediakan 50 sampai 70. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay. Okay, let's look at question 10. A carton of mineral water costs $8.50. Find the cost of 10 cartons. Ini sama juga, ada perkataan a. A is also apa? A is also 1. So, a carton artinya satu carton kena jual RM8.50. $8.50. Kalau 10 carton, berapa ringgit? So, what are you going to do? Untuk cari banyak, you usually multiply, right? So, you multiply 10 times $8.50. Then you can get the answer for that. Question number 9. A bus travels at 60 km per hour. How far does it travel in 3.5 hours? Okay, do you remember apa arti perkataan per? Ataupun di sana ditulisnya kilometer hour. Ini artinya per. This is per. Per means 1. Nya, bas satu, ia travel, ia berjalan 60 km dalam 1 jam. Okay. Kalau ia berjalan 3.5 hours, so berapa kilometer tu nya? So 1 hour 60 km. 3.5 hour. So what are we going to do? Okay, let me show you what are we going to do. Okay. We are going to 1 hour 60 tadi, 3 hour we're going to multiply. Okay. 60 times 3 dulu. And you can get the answer. And then ada lagi masih half kan? So 60 times half, then can get the answer. And then you just plus for both answer. Okay, jawapan yang kamu dapat itu di plus this answer plus this answer, then you can get for 3.5 km. 3.5 hours, I'm sorry.